Now recursion. Recursion in the Python also accepts function recursion, which means defined function can call itself. So recursion is a common mathematical and programming concept. It means that function call itself. This has the benefit of meaning that you can loop through data to reach the result. So for example, to find the factorial. So how to find the factorial of a particular number? So let's say n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 and so on, right? And so what is the factorial of n? Factorial of n is factorial of n minus 1 times of n. Okay, so let me define the function. So def define factorial of numerical, or let's say num. Now if num is equal to 0 or num is equal to 1, the return will be 1. Else num, that is factorial, times factorial n minus 1. So n means num. Okay, here you can also write, let's say, n for easy. So as you can see, factorial of n, if n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, the answer will be 1. Else return n times factorial of n minus 1. Now here we are using factorial. So same function will be used again and again. So let me run this code. And factorial of 4, as we can see, it is 24. Factorial of 3, 3 into 2 into 1, 6. Factorial of 10, this is the answer, right? So like that way you can find. So let me go back, let's say 5, 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. So as you can see, here you can also write like print. Okay, so 120 is there. So similarly factorial of 4, 24. Okay, factorial of 4 is 24. Or you can also write 4 times factorial of 3, or 4 times 3 times factorial of 2, or 4 times 3 times 2 times factorial of 1, or 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The answer will be 24. As you can see, each and every answer will be 24. Okay, as you can see, the answer is 24. So let me commenting out. And similarly, if you want to guess the number, this is 0, this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Now what it should be the next number, right? So let me create the function, define guess n. If n equal to 0 or n equal to 1, return n. That one will be the same number. Okay, but else guess n minus 1 plus guess n minus 2. So that is the formula. So if I am running this, as you can see, next case, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be 30. Let's say here I am writing 10, 55. Let's say here I am writing position of 11, 89, like that. Okay, so this is how you can use the recursion function in the Python.